Hello everybody, YouTube, America, whomever. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Touched on a subject the other day about will. Why is will so important when it comes down to it? Did he willfully do this, or did he willfully fail to pay his child support? Well, there's two words I want you to look up today, and that's mens rea, which is actually two words in itself. It's mens and then rea, and then you have actus reus. See, mens rea means that you had the knowledge and intent of causing harm. That's very important. You had to intend to cause the harm. You knew it would cause the harm, and you intended to cause the harm. Actus reus means that having that knowledge and that intent, you took action to cause the harm. All you have to do is move your arm. See, that's electricity. That's energy right there that moves the arm. That's all it is. So if you are consciously aware that whatever action you're about to take is causing harm, and then you take that action with full knowledge that you were going to cause the harm, with the intent that you were going to cause the harm, you have willfully done something. That is what you have to prove. Okay, well, public law, I forget what it is. I've got it, and I'll try to post it. But public law, something other, states that you must willfully fail to pay child support in order to be punished for it. So they have to prove not only did you have the knowledge that by not paying the child support you were causing harm, and you intended to cause harm by not paying your child support. They punish people every day. They throw them in jail, they take their license, they report on their credit. They do all kinds of stuff every single day. And I've never once seen them prove that someone had knowledge and intent to injure or harm their offspring by failure to pay, or to put it another way, by the choice of keeping their own property. Because, your money is your property. That's what you contracted for. It's a commercial paper product. You've earned it. Yeah, it's got the Federal Reserve note on it, so I guess it typically belongs to the Federal Reserve. But you earned it. That was your contract proceeds. When you contract your labor at an hourly rate, and somebody pays you that hourly rate, that's yours. The state cannot touch that. Without due process. They cannot take your property without providing just compensation. It's all in the Constitution. Pretty much everything they're doing is illegal, and they know it. And I've got another video coming up on all that. I've been doing some research again. But for today, I want you to look up mens rea and actus reus, because it takes both to say someone willfully did something. And once you willfully do something or take some action with the intent to do something or cause some injury, then there's malice. That proves malice right there. So that's why will is so important. Did you willfully intend, or did you willfully do something with the intent of? If you did, then that's malice. That's malicious. That means that you're just evil. But they can't prove that. I don't see how they can prove that if something comes up in your house and you can't afford to pay your child support, and you pay a bill or take your wife or somebody to the hospital, how are they going to prove intent with that? How are they proving that you had the knowledge it was going to cause injury, and you intended to cause that injury by looking out for someone else, or looking out for your present household? They can't prove that. That's an objection right there. Objection. Assuming facts not in the court record, which hey, they ain't got no jurisdiction anyway in most cases. Now, in some of them, yeah, they do. If there are malicious people out there who intend to cause harm, but they can't say everybody is. If I did anything maliciously, the courts have done it tenfold. The courts are the most malicious creatures of man. I know this is probably making lawyers, judges, and a lot of people mad. I don't care. They need to read the Constitution, read some constitutional case law, and stop injuring people for no reason because you want a paycheck. Y'all have a good day. Mens rea, actus reus. Good luck with it.